Amore leopard. The Amore leopard is one of the rarest big cats in the world, with less than 150 individuals remaining in the wild. It is native to the Russian Far East and Northeast China. Sumatran orangutan. The Sumatran orangutan is found only on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. It is critically endangered, with an estimated population of fewer than 15,000 individuals. Javon rhinoceros. The Javon rhinoceros is one of the rarest large mammals on Earth, with only about 80 individuals remaining. It is found in Ujung Kulon National Park in Java, Indonesia. Vaquita. The vaquita is a small porpoise endemic to the Gulf of California in Mexico. With less than 10 individuals left, it is the most critically endangered cetacean species in the world. Philippine eagle. The Philippine eagle is one of the world's largest and rarest eagles. It is endemic to the Philippines and has a population of fewer than 400 individuals. Saola. The Saola, also known as the Asian unicorn, is a critically endangered bovine species found in the Annamite Mountains of Vietnam and Laos. It is estimated that only a few dozen individuals remain. Kakapo. The kakapo is a flightless parrot native to New Zealand. With only around 200 individuals left, it is one of the world's rarest birds. Iberian lynx. The Iberian lynx is the world's most endangered wild cat species. It is found in the Iberian Peninsula and has a population of around 100 individuals.
Yangtze giant softshell turtle. The Yangtze giant softshell turtle is one of the world's most critically endangered turtle species. With only 3 individuals left, it is on the brink of extinction. Angel shark. The angel shark is a type of shark that is now critically endangered due to overfishing and habitat loss. It is found in the eastern Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea.